Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another synthetic hair review, and this review is basically going to be on the Melted Hairline series. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more videos with me. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing is this Melted Hairline lace front wig in the style Toriana. Reminds me of Martina a little bit, so we're just going to get into it. I have the box. Usually I will cut the lace already, tint the lace and all the other stuff, but I just wanted to actually show y'all how I do all those things and maybe try some different techniques as well too. The two things that I'm going to be using is this tint lace spray, fast drying, 24-hour hold, and it is safest on the skin. So these are the two products I'm going to use. I'm sorry if the light is very bright, but I'm trying to test other things out. So let's open up the package and see what it's giving. I am going to tell you the color that I got. I got DRFF 2 Cherry Red. This is actually one of my favorite colors from their collection, and I think it's very pretty. So this is what the wig looks like. The color is very, very pretty. I love the color and I love the curls on this. This is the stock card. This is DRFF 2 Cherry Red, and they also have specialty colors in the back if you guys don't know about the hairline series. So it has deluxe lace parts. It's 2 by 5 inches. It's HD transparent to 400 degrees. It has baby hairs, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort fit ear contour, pre-attached elastic band, deluxe wide lace part, and obviously, like I said, the specialty colors and basically all the claims that it does have on the stock card. If y'all also want to look at that review, I have that review up for that hair already. I also have a video on this look too as well. Get ready with me. So if y'all want to go ahead and see that, y'all can. It's definitely not big head friendly, but I mean, I don't have a big head, so it doesn't matter, but I'm just saying. Okay. All right. Pull it down. Okay, this is what the lace is leaving, I guess. It's a middle part wig. Oh, okay. She is cute. Okay, so she really is in the middle part. Give you baby hairs. This is what it looks like. You can kind of see my wig cap on here. Maybe it probably would have been best if I wore a black one, but I can't really find my black one, so we're just gonna have to stick with this today. And we're gonna see if I can also glue it. It's what the wig is giving. I'm gonna show y'all close up so you can see. This is what the wig is giving. And what I want to do is spray some Gatsby spray on there too as well. That's a new technique. I was saying I was going to try some new techniques, and that's a new technique that I've seen. Use the glueless lace tint spray to just spray it and seal it in place, and then I'm going to dry it so it can stay. Alright, so another technique that I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to basically pull my cap just a little bit down, and I'm going to try to cut this lace while it's on my head and glued. We're going to see how that go. I don't know. We're going to see. Trial and error. So, hey, yeah. Okay, Pervious. I'm gonna have to add just a little bit of heat on this part. Right, so I have it like this. Now what we gonna do, and I'm gonna also take stick that I got from She Is Bomb to kind of pull these supposed baby hairs out the way, because at this point I don't know why you're on there. People kind of spray it, so I'm gonna spray. Once again, I'm gonna probably use my viewfinder to spray this right down because I really can't see. Okay. Going to, I guess, I don't know if it's dry or not, to be honest with you, but we are going to cut the lace. Okay, so I cut the lace, y'all. It made it a little better to cut the lace, but obviously the glue method that I was trying to do is not for me. I need to just stick with the method that I like you doing it, which is cutting the lace already and already, you know, styling it and everything and just coming with a review. Because it's gluing it and then cutting it is not me. So yeah, I'm gonna finish gluing it down and we're gonna finish with the final review. So I have the wig, you guys. It is very glueless. Well, it's not glueless. I glued it down and it looks very pretty. I like the curls. Obviously it does shed when you cut the ear tabs, when you cut the lace. The technique that I used before is not my technique. I would never use that technique again. It's always nice to try different things, but as far as that, I'm not using it again. I like it my normal way. It's glue, it's cool, but my all-time favorite is the bed head glue, the lace glue. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the specs of this hair. I'm gonna quickly say it. I got this in DRFF 2 Cherry Red. This is the melted hairline lace front wig, deluxe white lace parting, check. Soft HE lace, check. Wide deluxe lace part, check. Pre-plucked, plucked to best stability. Pre-attached white elastic band, redesigned comfort fit ear contour, salon inspired colors, and natural baby hairs. So that's basically all the claims of this, and everything is basically the same. And yes, it does remind me of Martina as well too. Pros of this hair is obviously the color. I love the color, don't have problems with the color. The length is perfect. The curls, you know, it's kind of bland a little bit, like normal every time. It never fails with my curls. I brushed it the best way I could brush it. So this is how it came out, just like this. I kind of tucked it behind my ear just to give it like a cute effect and all that. Nothing really bad. I will rate this hair at 8 out of 10. Oh no, at 8.5 out of 10. Very good, very simplistic. You can wear this to work if you want to. It's very, very nice. And that's all I got to say about this wig, okay, y'all? I have another one coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. I love y'all, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.